Question number 16. Here we are given with the LHS and RHS, and we have to find the value of x. So first we have to solve the LHS and RHS side by side. So start with the inside of the bracket, x minus 3 plus x minus 1. X plus x becomes 2x, and minus 3 and minus 1 become minus 4, and RHS remains same. After that, we take 2 common from 2x minus 4, and it becomes x minus 2, and in RHS it becomes same. When we take 2 and x minus 2, it got cancelled with the RHS, and it remains with 3 is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 3. And when we multiply these two terms, we got the equation x square minus 4x is equal to 0. And when we take x as in common, we are left with x minus 4 is equal to 0. And one by one, when we take this x is equal to 0, we got the value x is equal to 0. And when we take up this bracket is equal to 0, we got the value x is equal to 4. Thank you.